Hello, this is Cardi Cartoons, and today I'm going to show you this art notebook. And for the few people who are familiar with my channel, you might have noticed that a few sketches that might appear in this notebook also appeared in other videos. So let's start. First is this cute drawing of a bunny dog and a cat badger. I combined two animals together and form a character like that. And next is Sarah from I think it was Alien Defender, the female wrestler, Sarah. And here's some karate people practicing karate and stuff. And here is a dragon, a wyvern dragon. And this is Figgy and Henry from my other sketchbook tour videos who form a relationship and stuff. And they're hanging out and stuff. And let's see, here's a sword knight character that I drew for fun. And here's an elf with an arrow. Next here are here's Belle, the bounty hunter character that was inspired by Samus from Metroid. I've playing a lot of Super Metroid lately, and I was inspired to create this character. And here's another android character. Well, Belle's not really an android, but this is the android character right here. Half human, half robot. Here are some wildcat characters. This is supposed to be a cheetah, a lynx, a jaguar, a lion, and this is a regular house cat. And here's a kaiju from Colton and his Kaiju, my other sketchbook tour video. Need to fix here. And here's a sea turtle. Here's a drawing of Ford Focus. For some reason, my dad doesn't like these cars, even though he buys Fords all the time. Those Ford vehicles don't last a long time. At least not as long as, foreign cars like Nissan, Honda, Toyota. They don't last as long as those cars. This is to let you know. And here's Mario and Sonic shaking hands. It's Mario and Sonic Little Big Games. Played that game a lot. And here is it's supposed to be RX-7, a Honda RX-7. But I kind of messed it up, so I figure I'd never post it. I didn't finish it either. And here is Spider-Man. I did a video of this. Spider-Man is Marvel's Capcom pose. And here's faces that I practice drawing faces from another YouTube channel. I forgot what the channel was called, but And here are some great white sharks that I drew. Great white sharks are known for hunting seals and stuff, just like polar bears do. And here's another drawing that I did a video of. Maybe I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to see those videos of how I first drew these. Here's Figgy the squirrel, character that I love drawing. Figgy the squirrel. Here's another drawing, my mech suit drawing. They did a video of this one too. Here's a cute bulldog. Here's a war elephant. If I ever decide to make a video game, it'll probably be about African animals called Safari Kingdom. About African animals. And here's I did a video of this one too. Dragons, land dragon, sky dragon, hydra, and sea dragon. And here's my robot warrior character that I drew not too long ago in my another video. And for today, I'm going to be drawing a centaur right here. Let's see. Let's scoot that a little bit. Going to be drawing a centaur. I kind of messed up a little bit. It's a sword. Here's another half of his body, the centaur part. Draw the hooves. Gonna draw the helmet. Gonna draw his eyes. He's charging to battle. For victory! Here's a centaur character. If you guys like my drawings, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe in case you want to see more. And that's it.